Today is 29th June, and first thing is I'm not well. You can catch the thing in my throat. The voice is not as clear as it usually is. Also, damn tired. And today is Monday. Had a lecture yesterday, so didn't get my Sunday off. And I was actually thinking of postponing this lecture or taking it on some other day. Now the thing is, was about to let it go, and then I realized the topic says no excuses, and I just thought that there would be no other day to actually record this topic. Now if I talk about the practical implication of this topic, what is it saying? Now I am telling you that I'm tired and not well. Honest thing is, that is only one reason. There are many. So let's just say this is you, alright, you, and this is your goal, alright, and there are going to be 1,000 things coming in to cut you off your goal, or to maybe, a lot of time cut you off your goal doesn't mean that it will send you back. That is just one thing what we call failure. The other is, it will make your time hard, okay? It will basically like to deviate you from your work. Like, you know what this is? I'll take 15 minutes off, I'll listen to a song, I'll do it later, I'll procrastinate, something like that. Now if you look at it, this was my old theory that I used to actually think. And the theory used to be, for example, if you are taking 10 minutes to do something, right? And it would have been done in 10 minutes. And then you take 10 minutes off. So can anyone tell me how much time are we losing? 10 minutes for this thing, like for taking it off, and 10 minutes for doing the thing, Wrong. We are actually losing 30 minutes. You know why? Because if we set a schedule that I'll do this is the thing that I have to do. This is the thing I'm doing procrastinating, and this is the thing that I have to do after it. So what is happening is, you were first of all supposed to do this thing which you didn't do. So you lost 10 minutes here. And then you carry forward this thing here. So now you're doing the work that you were supposed to do. But what you would have done here in this 10 minutes actually got also postponed to the future. So the break that you were supposed to get, you will get it later. So you didn't if tonight you were supposed to do something for half an hour and you didn't do it, you only didn't lose tonight ka half an hour. You lost tomorrow ka half an hour in the morning as well. You lost 1 hour in total. Again, that is how it goes. Now, I'll just read. It is possible to curb your arrogance. That is the one thing. Now, being tired, being well is unwell is one thing. Being arrogant is another. To overcome pleasure, I want to watch movies, I want to listen to songs. And fame. Now this is my thing, fame. To rise above your ambition. And to not be angry with stupid and ungrateful people. Yes, even to care for them. That is the goal. So when we are talking about goal and being an artist, being like this channel particularly is for artists. And what is an artist? For me, the life of an artist is not just the art of it. Artists just don't create art. Artists do a lot more things. It is in the way that they live. That is how we think about an artist, right? Artist is somebody who's in his thoughts, in his zone, living his life happily, cheerfully, creating his art. And when he dies, he dies with so many memories that the normal 9 to 5 people might not have. That is what an artist is. Artist is not just art. When readers read, it is not just somebody who's reading a book. It is that entire world of imagination going in their mind. That is a reader. And when they die, they die with all those imagination and the life they have lived through it. Yeah. So when you are thinking of living a life as an artist or as a stoic or as just a human being, then you have to rise about your ambition sometime, where maybe you are so ambitious about something and then you realize there is a birthday party you have to attend, or there is a friend's funeral, or maybe he needs help that you have to go for. And there it should not be any excuses. For right now, it is I have to record this video, this is my goal. Let's not keep relaxation as an excuse and leave it. But sometimes relaxation will be the goal, and you will go into your ambition, and people do this and then they burn out and get tired. Somebody was showing me today a video, and you can search it. It is written when a Pixar animator could not animate. It is an actual video on YouTube. It is 1 minute 30 seconds. Basically says that the guy was so burnt out that he could not animate anymore. So even your ambition, even your fueled passion, now sometimes it will come in the way of whatever your goal is. Your goal can be to relax as well. I'll read further. I was just born with this. I never learned anything different. These are the excuses. My parents set a terrible example. Everybody else does it. I can't. What are these? These are excuses that people use to justify staying as they are instead of striving to become something better. And of course, it's possible to curb your arrogance. It's possible to control your anger and be a caring person. And how do you think others do it? Certainly, their parents weren't perfect. If you are looking for motivation, the best people to look for motivation is the people around you who are doing it, you know. And I realized this one thing, like somebody was telling me, because I've been tired for a week, I guess. Okay, not being able to take a break. And somebody recently told me, like, if you watch my before videos, I never used to take actually rest on this. I've started doing this recently, unconsciously. So, like, if you go and watch like 5 videos before that, I used to be like this, talking and that. And suddenly it happens very feasibly that you go back. And they told me that you're looking a little underconfident when you talk. And since you are motivating and talking about stoicism, you should, talk. And then I realized what is confidence. The confidence is not in actually being bold. The confidence is actually just in being truthful. If you're truthful and you're saying, I'm tired, that is confident enough. Done, go home, it is off. So, whatever it is, don't give any excuses for not even being bold enough or not being confident enough. This video could have been postponed just for the thing that, I'm not feeling confident enough or energetic enough, so let it go. But just because the topic is like that and the way is like that, this way actually syncs more and rhymes more with this video and this topic. Presenting like an example, I am tired but I'm making. So if you're tired and if you don't want to do it, still do it, because that personality that does it, that will triumph, that will save your 10 minutes tomorrow, that will save your video tomorrow. And I'll just read the last paragraph and we'll finish. They solved it like they would solve any other problem. You can do by dedicating themselves to finding a solution, making incremental process, just an incremental process, until they did it. They become who they are, just like we can. Alright, so that is the video today. And thank you so much for joining and thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.